Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a pool miner on the CT Pool crypto mining app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CT Pool application on your device, and once you have been logged in, tap on the mining page to begin your pool mining. Now you can tap on the enable button to start your pool mining, and if you scroll down, you will see the add pool miner option. You can tap on this button, or you can also go into the pool mining menu, where you will once again find this option. When you tap on this, you will then have the option to purchase an additional pool miner by using crypto or Google Play. Just choose your payment method and your desired speed as well. Then just scroll down and then choose the duration of the additional pool miner. After choosing your duration, scroll down once again and you will now see the buy button. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you will be taken into the transaction page, where you can choose your purchase or payment method and complete your transaction to purchase your additional pool miner right away. Once your transaction is completed, you can see your additional pool miner within your pool mining app, and the number will increase as well. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to add another pool miner on the CT Pool crypto mining app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.